Yo, what's good you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Zamir from XCC Tunes. In this video I'm gonna make a very chill minimalistic beat. I'm gonna start this beat with a pad sound. Let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna start with F minor chord and goes to D flat major and goes to B flat minor and then E flat major. Let's try that. I'm gonna record now. I'm gonna quantize this, guys. Okay, I'm gonna increase the velocity a little bit. Okay, that's better. There's an 8 bar of chord progression. The tempo of this beat is at 142. And now let's add some kind of percussion first. Let's go with the kick. All right. So I'm gonna create a very sparse kick pattern. I'm going to increase the velocity. Yeah. Then I'm going to add a snare. Okay, I decided to go with the snare. Cool. I'm gonna quantize this, increase the velocity as well. And if you notice, I've already added some reverb to this snap to make it more ambient kind of feel. Okay. Okay, now I want to add some kind of percussion to make it a bit bouncy, just a little bit. That's enough. We can duplicate it. Now I've got this cool pattern for the percussion. I'm gonna just duplicate it. Okay, I'm gonna add another percussion. I've added the reverb as well for this track. And I cut some of the high and the lows. Okay, now let's record it. Okay, now let's add a hi-hat. The hi-hat is very spacey and sparse. I don't want to add too much of stuff here rhythmically. I'm going to just duplicate this over. Now I think I want to add one more hi-hat. Okay, now this hi-hat is going to play exactly the opposite of what the other hi-hat is doing. And it sounds different as well, and I like it. So let's duplicate. Now I'm gonna add a vocal chop. Cool, I like that. Now I'm gonna add some bass. Let's add a 808. The 808 is not gonna do much as well. I'm not gonna do any glide. Okay, now I'm gonna add a guitar, like chill, vibey kind of guitar. I want this to move to D flat. No, let's move it up to F. Okay, that's cool, we can use that. So both of these will play for the hook part and the rest will be for the verse. Okay, so let's do a quick arrangement. Okay, I'm going to select all and duplicate. Okay, let's start with the pad with no kick, with percussion and no 808, no guitar. I like that. I don't want vocal chop for the verse, and I'm gonna put the guitar here. I think I want to add one more layer for the guitar. You can add a note that is playing the root note of the chord. Okay, let me quantize this. Okay, so this should be the chorus. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this beat. I hope you enjoyed this video as well. If you guys did, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, turn on notifications, smash the like button and share this video to all your friends and family. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.